Last fall, you may have been amongst the millions of Americans who made choices about their Medicare coverage. But being proactive about your coverage and care doesn't end after enrollment. Lindsey Olaiya with UnitedHealthcare Medicare and Retirement in Texas is with us today to share the many ways that you can and should get more from your Medicare benefits. Hey, Lindsey.
Hi, good afternoon.
You know what? Okay, this is really handy advice that you're about to give us. First question I have for you is when trying to get or stay healthy, how would you suggest that people can proactively take advantage of their Medicare benefits?
Yes, your Medicare plan can have a huge impact on your health and your financial situation. So first thing I recommend is that you take advantage of what is offered in the way of preventative care. A majority of the plans have cancer screenings, your annual wellness exam. So take advantage of those things first because they are a part of your plan and typically at zero cost. And if you're on a Medicare Advantage plan, you have extra benefits and features that you need to focus and utilize. And so I would say dental, hearing, vision, great place to start. Get those exams, get those times with your doctors and your specialists scheduled, as well as fitness. For example, UnitedHealthcare, majority of our plans offer a fitness benefit, and we're still kind of at the beginning of the year, and it's never too late to get started and focused on your physical fitness. And also, again, there is that routine exam. That's really critical to kick off the year, knowing what you can expect for the rest of the year as it pertains to your health.
Amazing. Okay, I like those, especially the fitness one. It's never too late to start, right? Now, many people...
I'm going to take my own advice.
Right. I'm listening. Many people, when they're eligible for Medicare, they're either retired or they're living on a fixed income, so every dollar really does count. What tips do you have to help people manage their healthcare costs?
Yes, you've got to take advantage, again, of what is included within your plan. Costs can vary, for each individual, and so it's based on, what type of plan you have. So taking the time now to understand your benefits and the cost that's associated with the plan that you selected is really critical. If you have original Medicare, 80% of Part B medical expenses, that's doctor services, outpatient care, are covered. However, you are responsible for 20%. And there is no out-of-pocket limit on that 20%. So you've got to prepare for what may be coming. If you have a Medicare Advantage plan, you get more predictable copays, annual out-of-pockets, meaning there is a max amount that you will spend on your coverage throughout that year. And so it's with Medicare Advantage that you really need to focus in on choosing your doctors that are within that network so you can take advantage of those fixed costs. In 2024, UnitedHealthcare will again have the largest network of doctors and hospitals, which will help you coordinate your care and keep those costs predictable. So that is definitely one benefit of Medicare Advantage, and with United having that extremely large network. And so, look through what that cost is going to be for you as you plan to utilize your benefits for this coming year, and continue to look at those opportunities to save on your everyday items.
Okay, that's some good advice there. Is there anything that might surprise people when it comes to new benefits or features in their plans that they really should be taking advantage of?
Each plan has very specific benefits and features that are covered. But I would say with United, there's one benefit that I feel like our members across every area really talk about, and that's our U card. It is a card that has your medical ID as well as your benefits, such as rewards, over-the-counter, and food allowances. They're all within that card. And so we have offered that to our members now for several years because it helps them actually access their benefits, which is critical, right? If it's too complicated, you're not going to use it. And so the U card creates that simple, seamless experience for our members and really helps them get the most out of their plans with UnitedHealthcare.
What are some additional resources that people should be aware of if they're looking to stay healthy and, save some money with their Medicare plans?
Yeah, now is the time to get to know your benefits. And so, no matter what carrier you're with, on the back of your ID card, or if you're with United on your U card, there's a customer service number. So, you can always call, you can ask questions, understand what your benefits look like. You can also come to United Healthcare for more information. We have a great website that's full of resources, and that website is uhcmedicarehealthplans.com. So again, just be proactive about your care, get your annual visits in, and really learn the benefits that you have, because that is how you take the most advantage of your Medicare Advantage plan.
I love it. Lindsey, thank you so much for your time today. And you know what, if you want to find out more, that website that Lindsey just said, uhcmedicarehealthplans.com. Here's to your health. Houston Life will be right back.